Work top to bottom, starting with the top bin. Take out all the items that are inside the bin. Remove the bin and put it in the sink. Clean the areas that would be behind the bin and to the side of the bin. Wash, dry, and put the bin back in the freezer. Put the items back where you found it. For the bottom basket, remove the items. Clean the seal before you start cleaning the bottom basket. Take the food out of the bottom basket and put it on a clean surface. Most times, the bottom basket in the freezer is hard to remove. If it doesn't come out easily, leave it in there. Use tenacity and a purple cloth to clean the basket. Clean inside, outside, and underneath the basket. Put the food back in the basket. The inside of the freezer is done. Work from top to bottom. Take all the items out of the bin in the basket. Remove the bin. Clean behind where the bin and the basket were. Wash, rinse, and dry the bin. Put the bin back. Clean the basket. Put all the items back in the bin and the basket.